So a lot of people, including myself, are annoyed that stores are having mega sales on Thanksgiving and we're selling Christmas items well before even Halloween. Um, but the problem is that a lot of these people who are upset about it are the very people who are fueling this. You see, both of those events are consumer driven. Uh, it's a simple solution. If you don't want to see Yuletide items before the Yuletide, don't buy them before December. And if you don't want mega super Black Friday sales happening on Thanksgiving Thursday, don't shop on Thanksgiving. I mean, if you are one of the people who camp out on Thanksgiving instead of spend the holiday with your family, uh, you're a little crazy in my opinion. But, I mean, to each their own. I personally would like to stop being pelted by advertisements for these ridiculous events. But that's just my opinion. Please let me know what y'all's are. Comment and subscribe.